Bindas talk. In Bindas talk, there are no subjects, just simply talking to the body cells of my system. Words have got its own power to heal the wounds within. At the same time, a philosopher has to talk about his philosophy. Without words, how can there be any communication properly through making that type of syllabus understandable to feel my presence in this planet? So it is my way of doing things for the sake of my business, spirituality and prosperity together. If a single person doing so many things with a visionary path, then he cannot be an ordinary person at all. From all the places there were blockages, hindrances, tarnishing, maligning. He never stopped his vision and mission. Since 1999 onwards, I am talking about messengers of love also. Religion of yogic love now. That makes the mind more powerful to create destiny to me brand souls, at least to feel an expected standard of a millennium man who is talking about a millennium transformation, upliftment. In the highest three syllabus of global Menons is essential for me. It's my desire of Global Menons Association for my advent. Then why should I just obey the commands or norms of others or other system? So it is only for the limited souls who can digest my words meet together. So many years I am talking about my vision, doing so many things. What I have done, only such personalities can digest or understand. I was not simply sitting with idle mind, keen on my vision and mission. That is where now it is my time to think about my friends, my real relatives, my souls who can digest a millennium man's philosophy and the process of evolution, millennium evolution through Nij Raj Yogic life. Many call me a fake when I talk about myself and truth and love. and uplifting human species through words and trying to do so many things with my business spirituality and prosperity concept, can that be a fake news for souls? I talk about the descent that is not digestible to any ordinary human beings too. So it's an extraordinary way of one talking about my purpose. At the same time, allowing the real souls who have descended to this planet to feel my presence and your presence to create destiny through Nij Yoga meditation or Nij Yoga system of evolution. All those who call me a fake, in what way they are not fakes? Do they tarnish, malign others because of competition? I don't compete with anybody. I don't have to prove to anyone. I don't justify anything at all. I am in tune with my own blissfulness and happiness and cosmic orderliness to feel my presence and my arrival too. So I talk it to those who can digest it. Those who cannot digest it, they don't have to follow me, or I don't have to follow anybody's system. If I am failed, it's my own problem. If I am not failed and just allowing myself to just promote the values of divinity, dignity, decency, then it is my business and my spirituality too. That's why I talk about my spirituality in such a manner that it allows the process of evolution. M is spirituality. ME stands for Millennium, evolution, manifestation, energy, and various wonderful things to keep the mind engaged in creativity. Morning exercises, systematic approach through power pranayama, so that many can understand that all those who think about spiritual realization, they have to depend upon someone who knew everything. That is inbuilt spirituality of spiritual souls. Almost all souls are competent enough to take independently their styles, their vision or mission. Then I say to me brand souls, at least if you follow me, then you have to become leaders of tomorrow. Leaders do not mean political leaders. One should know what is Uniquest leading space to uplift human species through spirituality. I don't require any support of any religions. My religion is religion of love, religion of yogic love, spiritual love. And why should I require all those who rejected me or rejecting me or trying to accuse me in tune with their whims and fancies? That's why I talk to myself and allow myself to be on top with highest clarity of Nija's path, the Nija's saga and the flyer version with highest clarity of the straightness, straight right, straight left, straight, that bestows the grace power of cosmic consciousness with security, 22 bar 7, 9, it's universal cosmic security of the souls who are invisible. All those who are visible in this planet, they have limitations. Those who are invisible, then they are in the cosmic objects and subjects. And there is meaning for thinking about the entire universe and the cosmos to make life more beautiful, wonderful, with the brilliance of ways of one understanding the operating systems of ME spirituality. 22 bar 7 9. I feel 7 is the planetary vibration with almost all living beings live in it. And 9 is the universal programming number with invisible spirituality and visible manifestational efforts too. That's good for global Menons and Menon species to understand how they have to realize one's own soul's nature, soul's consciousness, soul's power. I am not following any people way of one atheist culture or any other religious culture or any normal life. I am following soul consciousness means it is personalized, individualized version of allowing oneself to be in the extraordinary way of one perceiving divinity, godliness, God consciousness, yogic way of one understanding the practicality of business, spirituality and prosperity together without any hate or malice or any type of one jealousy or confusions. That's where ME spirituality is something connected with the original versions of every soul in me unit space. Then my cosmic space is more than enough. I am more than enough for my organization. That's the Uniquest leading styles in me unit space. Global Menons in the leading styles. Many cannot understand the practical difficulty of so many varieties of life of souls in this planet. All cannot talk all things, what they experience really. That's why when we gather ourselves, we can have that type of awareness and practicality to do the right thing with a straight consciousness, then there is meaning for the advent of every soul in this planet to find unity. Unity is strength, universality and unity. Uniquest leading space. Then these few words only for those who really want to get connected with me. Through Menon's domain, Menon species, they are the leading styles that has become essential or necessary because I know the truth. Why I am requiring Global Menons Association? Then I say 3 things are essential for me souls that will clarify it. Non-betrayal, honesty and sincerity, and straightforwardness. Who loves to walk with the betraying cult or tarnishers and maligners? So global Menons and souls and real me souls, when they are in and around me and when I am in and around them, then there is no fear, only same mind and integrated loving energy, smile. Then that itself is a sign we are going to be together in tune with ME spirituality for a new millennium with a visionary path, Nij's path, fly so high, OSS programs. Then I say to every soul, the age is a number only. Those who feel the yogic realization within, they are beyond the ages. They don't celebrate birthdays. What is the age of the planet? What is the age of the sun or moon or soul consciousness? So one should transcend the body consciousness to feel the strength. At the same time, allow oneself to be practical to create huge wealth that will take care of souls and me souls and Menon species, and all the families will be rejuvenated. That's a sign of maturity. Straight, left you all. I am here in this planet. Wait for me through my own programs with me souls. I have got my own system.